I think she's done the best she can in the circumstances. I mean, 7 years.
There's no real pickup in Labour support since she took over as leader. I mean, and that was one of the principal reasons why Eamon Gilmore resigned. I mean, Labour was at 7% in the local and Europeans last year, and it's at 7% now.
Well, I think, you see, it's 7 years now since the financial crash, and I think every year it gets worse, in the sense that if you are one of the cohort of people who remains unemployed, or if you are one of the cohort of people that are finding it difficult to pay the mortgage, the cumulative effect over 7 years is more serious than it was after 3 years or 5 years. And I think that's a difficult environment. And the positive things of, 100,000 additional people back at work, is great for those people, but it doesn't butter any parsnips with the people who are still waiting to see the impact of the improving economy on their personal life's chances.